If you're a new real estate agent and you feel like your leads are slipping through the cracks, this video might explain exactly why. Because right now, there are agents losing deals every single week. Not because they're lazy, not because they're bad agents, and honestly, not even because there's a lack of opportunity. They're losing deals because the follow-up is inconsistent. And in real estate, inconsistent follow-ups kills momentum. So inside this video, I'm going to show you why most new agents struggle to stay consistent, why AI is changing follow-up faster than most agents even realize, and how can you start using simple AI workflows right now without expensive software, without complicated systems, and without sounding robotic. Because new agents do not need more AI hype. They need practical systems that actually help them build their business. And that is exactly what we're talking about here today. Hi, I'm Bill, and this is your AI Partners, where we help new real estate agents use practical AI workflows to follow up faster, stay visible, save time, create content easier, and stop losing opportunities. So let's get into it. Here's something many people are not talking about. A lot of new real estate agents are actually generating leads. Now, maybe not by the thousands or the hundreds, but the leads do come in. You know, you meet people, you get referrals, someone messages you from social media, someone signs into your open house, someone responds to a listing, someone says, hey, I might be looking to buy something later this year. The problem usually is not getting zero leads, right? The real problem is what happens after the lead comes in. Because this is where things start beginning to break down. You know, you get busy, you overthink the response, you try to write that perfect message, you forget to follow up, you tell yourself you'll respond later, and then later becomes tomorrow, and then tomorrow becomes next week, right? And eventually the lead is talking to another agent. Now, if you're new to real estate, this part matters because most new agents are trying to juggle everything at once, right? They're trying to learn contracts, learn scripts, understand the market, create content, post on social media, answer leads, build their confidence, manage their schedule, all at the same time while still trying to look professional. That's a lot. So what happens? Follow-up becomes mentally exhausting, not because writing one text message is difficult, but because making hundreds of tiny communication decisions every week becomes overwhelming. What should I say? Do I sound pushy? Should I text or email? What if they don't respond? Should I follow up once again? And eventually you freeze. This is one of the biggest hidden problems in real estate: decision fatigue. Now let's talk about something critical: speed. Because speed matters in real estate more than most real estate agents, particularly new ones, realize. When somebody reaches out, that person is usually actively thinking about real estate right then. That moment matters. Their attention is high, their curiosity is high, their motivation is high, but attention fades, and it fades fast. And if you're another agent who responds before you do, that other agent now owns that conversation. This is why delayed follow-up is expensive, not because you're a bad agent, but because speed creates momentum. Momentum creates conversations, and conversations create clients. Now here's where AI enters the conversation, and honestly, this is where many new agents get overwhelmed, because online, AI is often presented like some giant, complicated tech revolution. You see complicated workflows, you see expensive software, advanced automations, confusing tutorials, and people talking like engineers. And for the new real estate agent, that can feel intimidating. But here's the truth. You don't need to become a tech expert to benefit from AI. You don't need complicated systems, and you definitely don't need to spend thousands of your dollars just to follow up with your leads better, right? The real power of AI for new real estate agents is actually much simpler than that, right? AI helps reduce friction. That's it. Right? It helps you respond faster, think less, stay consistent, organize your communication, and stop staring at a blank screen trying to figure out what to do next. See, this is where practical AI becomes even more powerful. So let me give you a real world example. Imagine a lead fills out a form asking about a home. Instead of spending 15 minutes trying to figure out what to say, you use a simple AI prompt. And within seconds, you have a text version, an email version, a warmer conversational version, right? And now, obviously, you want to still personalize it and you want to make it sound more human. You still build that relationship. But instead of staring at zero every time, starting from scratch to build a structure from the bottom up, that changes everything. Because consistency becomes easier. When consistency becomes easier, you follow up more often. That is practical AI, not replacing relationships, but supporting communications. And honestly, this exact problem is why your AI partners exist. Because most AI education online is not designed for brand new real estate agents. It's either too technical, too broad, too expensive, or too overwhelming, or too disconnected from real world daily business. But new agents don't need more complexity. They need systems that can be used and worked today. That's why everything we create is designed around practical workflows, beginner-friendly systems, faster implementations, simple prompts, real communications, and most importantly, or equally important, immediate usability. So there's not a lot of fluff, there's no hype, no pretending AI will magically close deals all by itself for you, because relationships still matter, but strong systems do too. And a strong system will help agents stay consistent. And that is why we created the AI follow-up prompt and template kit for new real estate agents. It was built specifically for agents who need faster follow-up, less overwhelm, and a practical starting point. Inside the kit, you're going to get real follow-up prompts and text templates, email templates, testing exercises, a guide to personalize your prompts, and real-world scenarios for real estate specifically, not theory, practical implementations. The goal is simple: to help new agents stop freezing when leads come in and start responding faster with more confidence. Now, here's what I really want new agents to understand. AI is not just about saving time. It's about reducing hesitation, because hesitation kills momentum, and momentum matters massively when you're building a real estate business. The agent who stays visible, follows up consistently, communicates clearly, and keeps conversations moving forward, you see, they create opportunities. And even if they are newer, even if they don't have years of experience, because of consistency, consistency compounds. This is a real advantage. And the agent learning practical AI workflows early, well, they are building systems now that many agents will not build until years later. And this is why we created Yap It Up Community, because learning AI is easier when you're not trying to figure out everything by yourself. Inside the community, we talk about practical workflows, follow-up systems, prompts, content ideas, organization, automation, and real-world implementation. No hype, just practical AI support for real estate professionals who want to work smarter. And honestly, if you're early to learning this stuff right up front, you're putting yourself in a very strong position moving forward. So here's what you do next. If you're tired of overthinking follow-up, responding late, losing momentum, or feeling overwhelmed, trying to manage everything manually, start building systems. Download the free AI Central Starter Kit for new real estate agents. And if you want more complete system for faster lead response and practical follow-up, check out the AI follow-up prompt and template kit, because speed matters, consistency matters, and your next client may already be sitting in your inbox right now. This is your AI partners, where practical AI solutions for new real estate agents is offered. If you want a simpler way to follow up faster, stay visible, and build your business with more confidence, well then, we're here to help. I'll see you in the next video.